Hi. Hello, Beyond Organic Design family. My name is Monica Ibacache. I'm the executive director. I think most of you know me. I wanted to say how incredibly grateful I am to have had you all in my life, to have had the honor of having your students, of meeting some of you and some of the parents in person, and I have the most wonderful staff, wonderful teachers, and I always like to say I'm a blessed Chilean. 2020 has been a year of great growth and intense challenges, and I am reflect daily on how grateful I am, but today I'm doing it a little bit more. I think I'm not working, so I'm having more time, and it's just when I decided to do this 5 years ago, it's my 5 year anniversary, I wanted to create programming that could help inspire and empower and give hope to my students and to their families. That's been my driving motivation. And now with our online programming, I'm so grateful for Zoom and technology. I still get to see students twice a week in our after school program. It's been just a real special time, and I hope that you're all doing well.